I ordered a pressure wash hose. As a matter of fact, I ordered two 25 feet hose, right? I was trying to do I get a Bing and I'm trying to think that I could use two hose, one on the right side and one on the left side. So keep yanking them around the car and stuff. I just put one at the back running on that side, one on the back on this side running on this side, right? So I ordered the hose and the hose come in, and guys, oh my goodness, this thing is like, let me show you what it looks like, right? Because this is nuts. Oh, they say, oh, it's kink resistible and it doesn't kink and it could, pretty good. That's what I said. Watch, check this out, right? This is the name right here, and this is the hose right here. See? Look at that. I kink it. I try to. This is like, you see? Chinese stuff, man. This Chinese stuff is garbage. You can't compare to American. American stuff is just the best. Don't get me wrong. Some Chinese stuff is okay. Some of them is good. Don't get me wrong. But look at that. Huh? Look at this. Look at the Uberflex. You see that? And then we just go away. Voila. This been there. And look at that. This. Yes. You see this? This is good, guys. I'm gonna put one. Excuse me. One right there. Another one right here. Right. So I have this one. Gonna go here. Right. And then this one gonna go there. Okay, so as I was saying, guys, look, I was gonna do something like this. Pull this out, right? Put it either the front or the back, and just one hose go around here, one around here. You could put one with the pressure wash right there, and the other one with the I'm sorry, you could use one with the foam, and then one with the gun. So that's why I say I got a Bing, and as you could see, look at that, guys. I'm gonna test it out later on so you guys could see it. All right, voila. Check this out too. See this? Nice. Look at that. The other one. See that? And then this one, look. See that? So I just come right here, right? And take this out. Voila. See that? Beautiful. Then I just put back this one here. Sorry, guys. See that? Nice. So this thing right here, I'm gonna return it. Sorry, Amazon. I bought two of them. See? 25 feet. So I'm gonna return them. This one now. There it is. There it is. This one I'm gonna keep. Alright, I'm gonna keep this one. And these are the tools that came with it. So I ordered two more because I need one for the gun. So I'm gonna order two more. There's one right here, and there's another one here. Alright, guys. And check this out too. This is my pipe to catch water. You see the color around there too? Pretty close, right? See the color? And look at that. Yep. Okay. Check this out. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna block this up pretty soon. Okay, so now I just open this one, right? Take out my carpet cleaner, right? Put it right there. Nice, perfect spot. Then I put this in here like that. Alright guys, and then I just put this one right on top. See? Just a little bit of play right there, but it ain't going nowhere. It's good. Okay guys, nice. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think about this build. This is the first one. Hopefully I could make some more in the future. And I'm gonna do a complete fully setup. I would say maybe sometime next year. I want to take this one out and do a full setup from start to finish. I'm gonna do everything over, because this piece right here, plywood right here, it's screwed in on the frame, but it's not all the way back. It's just the front, and then I make, see, this up and this right here to fit. See, so far it can do the job. And I make this right here with all these, see, different. So this is supposed to go here on one side, right, and then the other one on the other side. Then I put a gun, pressure wash gun on this side, and then on the other side you would have put like another pressure wash gun, or the foam can. All right, so guys, please hit the like button. You need some more, comment down below, let me know what I should do better. And also guys, look, I got this hook here if I want to put keys and other stuff up there. Look, see another one right here too. All right, so it's getting better. So why not use up all the space you can use? I used to be I worked for a moving company for 5 years, so I know how to stock stuff up a lot. You see what I'm saying? I know. And look at this. See? Voila. All these right there. So now this, I gotta fix it up right, because this is gonna be for, I gotta have two of this one for interior, one for exterior, right? So we could have all this space. I'm gonna fill them up with stuff into them. Okay guys, so this here I'm gonna buy some of these and put some over here. So it's gonna be one side for interior and one side for exterior. Okay, and the speaker works too, so I could play music if I want. Alright guys, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna try to put some of these items in the description, so you guys support the channel by click on the Amazon link. Thank you.